For 600 years, the Ottoman Empire was a titan, its power built on a unique economic machine that turned war into profit. But its final collapse wasn't just about a foreign invasion. The seeds of its destruction were sown from within. So how did one of history's most enduring empires manage to borrow its way into oblivion? It was a slow-motion catastrophe that began when its core economic engine broke down. Back in its golden age, the empire had a brilliant system to pay for its army, called the Timar system. Instead of cash, the Sultan granted his elite cavalry, the Sipahis, the right to collect tax revenue from a plot of land, a Timar. This system fueled expansion. New conquests meant new Timars to fund more soldiers for the next war, easing the burden on the central treasury. But this system only worked when the empire was expanding. By the late 16th and 17th centuries, as conquest slowed, the machine sputtered. The state now needed cash for new infantry with firearms. To get it, they turned to tax farming, or iltism. The government auctioned off tax collection rights to the highest bidder for quick cash. But this short-term fix backfired, as tax farmers squeezed the peasantry, poisoning the empire's economic base. By the mid-19th century, the internal decay became a full-blown crisis. To cover the massive costs of the Crimean War, the Ottoman government took its first major foreign loans in 1854. This kicked off a catastrophic debt spiral. The money wasn't used to build industries that could pay it back. It was spent on the military and paying interest on previous loans. Each new loan just dug the hole deeper. The breaking point came in 1875, when the government defaulted on its payments. Furious European creditors forced a humiliating response. In 1881, they established the Ottoman Public Debt Administration, or OPDA. This was a massive European-controlled bureaucracy inside the Ottoman Empire, a state within a state. The OPDA seized control of the empire's most valuable revenues to ensure foreign bondholders got paid first, effectively ending the empire's financial sovereignty. The Ottoman Empire's economic collapse was a two-stage failure. First, its internal decay of its traditional financial system left it fragile. Then, the turn to foreign debt sprung the trap. This debt exploited the empire's weakness, leading to a loss of financial control that left the once mighty empire vulnerable to the final blow of World War I. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and make sure you click the bell icon so you don't miss our next dive into history.